How's it going, guys? I hope you're having a fantastic day. I'm headed down to Orange County for an awesome Koenigsegg meet, but beforehand, some of my friends wanted to go to some crazy expensive open houses in Beverly Hills just to imagine and fantasize what it'd be like to live in one of these homes. Got my buddy Joey behind us in his Model X Plaid. Off to 1731 Summit Drive. All right, the houses up here are starting to get insane. Oh my God, look at that house. Oh my God, that's insane. That's pretty cool too. Sick architecture. That is quite the entrance. Look at the entryway to this house and check it out. They've got a Porsche on a turnstile. So you can just pull in, it rotates, and then you can back out. Look at this kitchen. Oh my God. All right, this is one of the most baller home offices I have ever seen. Look at the view out over the pool. Casual movie theater, infrared sauna. That looks pretty crazy. Whoa. Nice little spa area to go get a massage. Another sauna. You gotta have 2 saunas in your house these days. View from the outside of the house in the backyard. Check out this infinity pool. That is so cool, and the view out here is pretty insane. Look at this, the shower has its own TV. Super nice outdoor area on the roof. Look at this house. The driveway on this thing is like a mile long. Oh my God. Well, that was absolutely insane. Definitely inspiring to see what type of houses are available out in Beverly Hills and Bel Air. Insane. All right, now we are headed down to Orange County to another absolutely epic car meet. Such a pretty view. This wouldn't be a bad drive every day. Look at that. That gate is crazy. Wow, all the houses on this street. Look at this modern one up here. Oh my gosh. I really love the design of this one. That is gorgeous. Wow. I'm not gonna lie, touring that house was actually really fun. So let me know if you guys enjoyed that. We can do more Houses Parker Can't Afford tours. First time at Ancillary Studios, home of the Ghost Squadron. Just pulled up to Ancillary Studios. Apparently there's a Koenigsegg Jesko inside. Let's check it out. Look at that, Koenigsegg logos on the support vehicle. Really clean Turbo S. All right, you know a car show is insane when there's a Wyra Roadster parked outside and the main cars of the event are inside. Look at that. Exposed carbon and then exposed blue carbon accents. That is insane. All right, the real stars of the show. 2 Koenigsegg Jeskos next to each other. The latest and greatest from the hypercar manufacturer. I don't believe anyone has a production delivery customer car yet, but check that out. This is the Jesko Absolute, which is the top speed version of the Jesko. You can see it's got a different, smaller wing. And then we've got the track version of the Jesko, which is sure to be unbelievably fast, but look how much bigger that massive rear wing is. So damn cool. All right, what would you pick? This Koenigsegg or that one? I think I'm going with the big wing. And then over here, got some more eggs. Nice Agera RS, crazy wrap on that. Beautiful white Regera. And then another wrapped Koenigsegg. Look at that, it looks almost hand-drawn. That's pretty epic. Take a look at the interior. I like that all red interior. Take a look at the Regera interior. And then let's take another look at the Jesko's interior. That is so damn cool. Look at those carbon bucket seats. Beautiful Huracan STO under this crazy light. That is pretty cool. Imagine you can get some really good photos. Nice MC20 next to it. It's kind of in an MC20 type of day. Spectacular in blue. And then we've got even more Koenigsegg's. Vader, one of the final edition Koenigsegg's. Stunning carbon fiber work. And then its brother Thor over here. Wow. Chiron that we saw at the Protective Film Solutions meet. Interesting, the 2-tone exterior and then a 2-tone interior. Pretty wild spec. All black Ford GT. Beautiful SVJ. Nice Bugatti Veyron as well. Get a load of this Type 35B Bugatti straight 8. This thing is wild. And then next to it, the almighty F50 and an F40 next to that. I believe these are probably the same two cars that we saw at the Protected Film Solutions meet. That is absolutely spectacular. I've never really taken a really good look at the interior of the F50. Absolutely stunning Ferrari F40. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior of this car versus the F50. And then next to it, the Driven Concepts Monterosa, based on the Gallardo, stripped out, lighter weight. The design on this thing is wild. What's going on? I love this car. Full exposed carbon fiber Bugatti Chiron Pure Sport. This thing looks absolutely insane. The rear of that is crazy. Next to it, we got another Koenigsegg Regera. I believe this and the other one are both owned by the same guy. Pretty insane spec. Beautifully spec'd Huayra BC. And the carbon fiber work on this car is so cool. And that front bumper honestly looks so much cooler on the BC than the standard Huayra. Crazy wheels. And then that rear wing. I love the shape of this rear wing. Really cool Koenigsegg Agera RS. Insane spec. Check out this color shift wrap on this AMG GT. From purple to green. This Porsche is absolutely spectacular. Look at the interior. It's got Lamborghini Aventador SV seats. What on earth? That's gotta be the only Porsche in the world with Lambo seats. That license plate is so epic. This car really is cool, damn. I can't get over these Lambo seats. What the heck? Can't believe this place is just hidden away inside of a shopping center. You'd never know that there's millions of dollars of Koenigsegg's laying right there. How insane is this? McLaren Sabre coming up. So sick. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, getting to see all of those Jeskos, Paganis, Bugattis, literal overload of cars. But we're just getting started because Car Week is going to be a whole nother level. If you're not subscribed yet, smash that subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, and I look forward to seeing you next video.